Hello everybody, my name is Alan and I know that you've come here because you're looking for a free recipe finder. Well, I think I've actually really found a great tool for you to use. This is what you see on the screen here is actually a total recipe search tool. It's a toolbar that goes onto your Internet Explorer or Firefox. And all you need to do is click this download button here and it installs on your machine. Now I know a lot of you are probably thinking that if you install this toolbar, you don't want to have to fill out a lot of forms or give away a lot of personal information, or you don't want some spyware or a whole bunch of things popping up on your screen that's going to distract you. And I completely understand that. And I have done this tool and I'm going to show you right now. None of that happens. This is a totally free download. You don't have to give any information away, and it's a very, very useful tool. And I'm going to download and install it. I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's do that right now. First thing that comes up when I click on it, it says I want to allow it into Firefox and to install, and I say yes. And then this will also install an Internet Explorer, by the way. I'm just using Firefox for the demonstration, but it works in a similar way on the other browsers. So I'm going to click Install Now, and I'm going to say yes. I'm on Windows 7, for those of you who don't know what that pop-up was. And then down here, I'm going to, these two things here, it says make my web search a default search and all that. I don't like that. I already have my own search pages that I like to come up when my browser comes up for the first time. So I'm going to click no to those. And then I'm going to click Install. And this may just take a few minutes, of course, because it has to go through the installation. And then it comes up here with the, of course, with the legal disclaimer and whether you accept that or not. And of course, you're going to accept it. And as you can see, it looks like it's finished. So I'm going to click the Finish button. And it says success, your toolbar has been installed. I'm going to click Finish again. Okay, and then in order for it to work, you need to restart the browser. So I'm going to close this down, and I'm going to bring Firefox back up. And here, as you can see, is the toolbar. Now, and it hasn't changed my default page, so that's good. So there's a couple of things here. There's a little search toolbar. This is just for searching on the web, but I think what you want here is the ability to search for free recipes. And there's a couple things you'll see on here. Here's a daily recipe, and there's a recipe search, and there's healthy meals and desserts. And I'm just going to click on the recipe search. We'll start with that one, and I'll just put in here. Let's just put chicken and see what happens. And this will do a recipe search. Totally free. You notice it didn't ask for any information, any sign up at all. And that was a really quick install. Very quick. And if my internet connection is going to work for me, there we go. And it comes up here. And if you look down here, there's all these chicken recipes. Now I just put chicken in, so I'm sure I got all kinds of stuff in here. But you can see there's other things on here that are not related to chicken, so we won't worry about those. But here, if you look here, chicken pot pie in a pan, fried pecan fingers. You can rate them. There's comments. There's cooking notes. So these are all personalized to you. Grilled sesame chicken satay papaya salad with Hoisin balsamic vinaigrette. Wow, that's a lot to say. Barbecue with olive plate, but it's probably good. And then here's your standard fried chicken and teriyaki chicken, and it just seems to go on and on and on down here. There's quite a number of them. So that's one thing that you can do, and you can do that with you can search for anything you want on here. And I just got that through this recipe search. There's also a daily recipe. So if you go on here, here I guess you can go into any of these recipes. I guess there's 30 of them, the recipes of the day. And they're from the Food Network, as you can see, which is a great place, of course, as you know, to get great recipes. And I just, you can go through here and just, you can click on one of these, and there you go. There's the recipe. All in a nice little screen, and you can just copy all that, and you have it. And we'll get, all right. So let's get rid of that, and go on to the next thing. So the next thing would be maybe new recipes. So these are new ones that I guess that have come out, and let's see here, strawberry tarts with ginger nut crust. Well, that sounds interesting. And here you go. It goes to Epicurus, and then here's the strawberry tarts with ginger nuts. So you can look there for new recipes. And then there's healthy meals. It comes up here with all kinds of healthy stuff: pork tenderloin, tomato peach, chicken kebabs. Ooh, I love chicken kebabs. Those are great. And grilled lemon chicken. And there's desserts. It comes up the same way. And so this is all pretty cool. I mean, it's all in one neat little place. You just click on these, and they all come up. And if you don't like what's on here, you can just search for yourself. And there's a little search bar over here. This just allows you to look for on the web different things, but it does it very easily for you. So, for example, if I wanted to look for chicken soup recipe, as you can see, and you can notice it pops up suggestions here as soon as I put in chicken, like you do in Google. So put chicken soup recipe in here, and here it shows you all the Google results for chicken soup recipe. So you don't have to go searching around. They're all right there in front of you. Okay, and then there's some other cool things on here. It's got I'm in Richmond, Virginia, so there's the weather thing on there, of course. But there's also a neat little radio thing in here, which really has nothing to do with searching for recipes, I know. But I just thought I'd show it to you anyway. Just a little add-on here that's with it, too. You can look at local radio stations. It'll pull up. And one of the neat things I even got was when I came down here to look at local radio stations, it actually had my county fire and rescue. So you can listen in the police and the fire rescue and all that through this. So that's kind of neat. I know it has nothing to do with recipes and all that, but I thought I'd show that to you anyway. So that's it in a nutshell. I mean, if this isn't, this is really a very, very simple, easy tool to use. It's all right there on your fingertips. Doesn't cost you a dime. Doesn't put any spyware or anything like that on your machine. Nothing, it's a really, really nice, cool tool to use. Now, the one thing I did notice, and I'm going to be quite honest with you, it did install a little extra program on here. Now, for those of you who are not technical, I understand, but I'm just going to go into Control Panel here and just show you. If you go to Programs and Features, there's a little program it installs in here called PC Optimizer Pro. Now, it doesn't do anything. It just comes with the install with it. If you don't want it, it's very easy to get rid of it. All you have to do is come in here and double click on this and say uninstall, and that will get rid of it. So you don't have to worry that it installed something on there that you really didn't want to have. But I just wanted to show you that I'm showing you everything there is to this program. There's nothing else going on here. I hope you find the tool very useful as I have. And if you do, go to the bottom of the video and click on the link, and it will take you to that page, and you can just do exactly what I just showed you here. Okay? Hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much for your time.